Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, the sum of two numbers is 20970 and it has been given that one number is greater than the other by 7502. So we have to find the value of the larger number. So let the numbers be x and x plus 7502. Therefore, according to the question, required equation will be x plus 7502 equals 20970. So 20970. So we will have x plus x, that is 2x plus 7502 equals 20970, or 2x will be equals 20970 minus of 7502. So let's solve it over here. So we have 20970 and minus of 7502. So 0 minus 2 will give us 8. We have 1 as a carry, so add 1 to 0. So 0 plus 1 will become 1. 7 minus 1 will become 6. 9 minus 5 will give us 4. 0 minus 7 will give us 3. So we have 1 as a carry. So 2 minus 1, we have 1 over here, right? So 2 minus 1 will give us 1. So 1, 3, 4, 6, 8 will be equals 2x. So 2x will be equals 1, 3, 4, 6, 8. Now in order to get the value of x, we have to divide both sides of the equality by 2. So 1, 3, 4, 6, 8 when divided by 2 will give us 6, 1, 14, 7, 3 and 4. So 6, 7, 3, 4. So x will be equal 6, 7, 3, 4. Now we have been asked to find the larger addend. Therefore, larger addend equals x plus 7502, which is equals where x is equal 6734. So 6734 plus 7502. So 4 plus 2 will give us 6. 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. We have 1 as a carry. So 7 plus 7 will give us 14. So 14236 is the value of the larger addend. So thus this will be our final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.